Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get rid of account warning on TikTok. Now, this is very easy to do, but watch the video until the end, guys, so you guys actually know how to do this. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make your way to the top right corner with the three lines. Now, basically from here, go ahead and click settings and privacy. Once you're actually here, you're going to want to make your way all the way down and go ahead and click on report a problem. Now, basically what you're going to want to go ahead and do here is you're going to want to go ahead and go to the topics and click on account and profile. Now, what you're going to want to do here now is you're just going to want to go ahead and click on profile page, and you're going to want to go ahead and click on other. Now, it's probably going to give you a solution here, but it's going to say, is your problem resolved? You're going to want to click no, and you're going to want to click need more help right under it. Now, from here, it's going to tell you some feedback and tell you to report a problem. Now, right here, you're actually going to report and open up a ticket with TikTok. Now, pretty much what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to give them a brief description on why you do not deserve the account warning. Now, you can pretty much put anything you want. Pretty much anything that is gonna get you appealed and back without a warning. So with that being said, guys, that's pretty much how you go ahead and do it. Once you're done with the ticket, you submit it, and TikTok's gonna review you and get rid of the account warning. But with that being said, if you found this video helpful, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll go ahead and see you guys for some of my other videos.